Ever folded your towels nicely in a hotel thinking you were being helpful? Yeah, don't do that. From exploding kettles to mysterious towel charges. Today, we're diving into the weirdest, most essential, and totally unexpected hotel tips you need to know before your next trip. Stay to the end. Some of these could actually save you money or save hotel staff from hating you. Let's start with towels. Don't fold your used towels neatly on the rack. It looks clean, so housekeeping might leave them. Instead, toss them in the bathtub or on the bathroom floor. That's the universal sign they need replacing. And speaking of clean, never make toast with an iron. No joke. People try it. Same goes for heating frozen pizza with a hairdryer. It sounds funny until you're evacuating the hotel because you tripped the fire alarm. Got a kettle or travel cooker? Be careful. Most hotel outlets aren't made for high-powered gear. Overload it and boom. Fire alarms, power outages, and maybe even a surprise visit from hotel security. Stick to no-cook meals or at most instant ramen. And please, don't boil your socks in the kettle. Yes, that's been done more than once. Always book a hotel that includes breakfast. That buffet, it's not just convenient, it's a money saver. Grab some eggs, toast, fruit, and you might not even need lunch. Here's a pro tip. Pack a collapsible food container. Leftovers from breakfast, equal sign snacks for later. You're welcome. If you get a room with 2 beds but you're traveling solo, don't use both just because you can. You're doubling the housekeeping work. And no, you don't have to make your bed. Actually, don't. It traps heat and moisture, the perfect playground for dust mites. But do, pick up trash, wipe spills, leave used linens obvious. That's being a good guest. Bugs can happen even in luxury hotels. First thing when you walk in, put your luggage in the bathtub. It's the cleanest place and check for bed bugs. No bugs? Great. Now don't go throwing wet towels on the bed and leaving for the day, unless you want to come back to a damp, moldy mystery. That $7 minibar soda? Tempting. But if you drink it and try to hide it, yeah, don't. You'll probably get charged anyway, and land on the hotel's blacklist. And those cozy bathrobes or towels? Not souvenirs. Take one and it'll show up on your bill. Ask the front desk if they sell them. You might be surprised. Let's talk tipping. Don't just leave cash on the last day. Different staff clean your room each day. Better move. Leave small tips daily with a thank you note. Also tip your valet, porter, and even the concierge if they helped you out. A little goes a long way. Booking again? Join the hotel's rewards program. It's free and you could score free Wi-Fi, upgrades, gym passes, even free nights. Need a late checkout? Don't be shy. Most hotels will say yes if you ask nicely. And if they say no, nothing lost. Before you leave, help housekeeping out. Air out the room, open the window, or leave AC on. Not both. Return chairs to their spots. Leave the remote where it's visible. These little things really help, especially when they're cleaning 100+ rooms a day. Traveling with a furry friend? Tell the hotel before you arrive. Just because it's pet-friendly doesn't mean they're cool with your parrot, snake, or emotional support squirrel. Trying to sneak a pet in can lead to fines, and loud pets are a giveaway. One last warning. Don't leave the bathroom door open when taking a hot, steamy shower. That steam can trigger the smoke alarm. Next thing you know, the fire department's crashing your vacation. Hotels are meant to feel like home, but that doesn't mean we should treat them like one. If you made any of these mistakes before, you're not alone. Let us know in the comments. What's the weirdest thing you've ever seen at a hotel? Like this video if you learned something new. And subscribe for more travel hacks that'll make you smarter than 99% of tourists.